Alright, what we're working on is a project that has been sadly on the back burner for a while, and I'll show you what's going on. It's not good. So as you can see behind me, it's quite the project. I bought this Blazer about, 5 years ago? I'm working on it periodically on and off. I got the body ripped off. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to box out the frame, if you look. It's going to be a supercharged rear engine, rear wheel drive S-10. Now, the motor is sitting on the floor over here. It's a Pontiac GTP 3800 supercharged Series 2. It's going to be hooked to a 700 R4 that is going to have a transfer case. So I'm actually going to be running out of the front output for the front four-wheel drive to the rear end, which is Ford 8.8 limited slip. I think it's 373 gears. I want to do 410s in it eventually, but yeah, we got a long ways to go. As you can clearly see, this has been sitting for a while. I'm hoping within the next few months to get this. Back onto this. So, if you'd like to follow along in this crazy project, stay tuned. Hoping to have updates here the next couple of weeks. I'll try and do one a week if I'm lucky. It'll be more work than I've done on it in a long time. So, yeah, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and get back to work.